Welcome to Foodie Beauty Life. Today I'm going to show you all of the swag that I got at Beautycon New York 2018, and at the end of this video I'll give you the total retail value of the full-sized items. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and to like this video. The first item came in the Beautycon box that contained my wristband. The box contained this patch and stickers and my first bit of drugstore makeup, this red Revlon lipstick in the color Fire and Ice number 72. I'm going to show you the rest of the drugstore makeup before we move on to the high-end makeup and the wellness items. The next item is the City Mini Eyeshadow Palette from Maybelline. There were two options and I chose this one, which was the Downtown Sunrise Palette. Revlon's Volumazing Mascara in the color Black as Black was the next item. And Almay let us choose from about 5 colors of this Goddess Gloss. Mine came in Halo. I received a tube of Melting Pout Matte from CoverGirl. L'Oreal had an amazing booth that was filled with fresh roses, and they gave us two items, the Lumi Chimeria, which is a powder highlighter, and the Lumi Glotion, which is a lotion. They chose the shades for us based on our skin tone. NYX gave us 4 items. From left to right, we got a Strictly Vinyl Liquid Eyeliner in purple, Strictly Vinyl Lip Gloss in Bombshell, a Born to Glow highlighter in Chosen One, and a Duo Chromatic Illumination Powder. Rimmel gave us a Stay Matte lip color in Rosetta, which is very pretty. Pixie, which had the shortest line but felt like it took the longest to get through, gave us 2 items, the Endless Silky Eye Pencil and a lip product in Honey Sheen. Target had a few different giveaways. The girl at the booth gave me this e.l.f. shadow palette in nude rose gold, and my friend got a bath item. Essence had 2 items for me, a nail polish in Amazed by You number 52 and a lipstick in Cool Nude number 5. I got the last Olay Whip Active Moisturizer, and my friend who came with me didn't end up getting one. I'm not really sure what happened there, but Pond's gave us each a full-sized cold cream, and Shea Moisture had a few choices for us, which included skincare and hair care. I chose this leave-in treatment made of coconut oil. I only received 3 high-end beauty items this year, which feels pretty standard for Beautycon. The first item was a deluxe sample from L'Occitane, and it was this Moisture Prep Essence. Anastasia Beverly Hills had a ring toss game, and each person got a different prize. Mine was the deluxe size Clear Brow Gel, which is coincidentally what I got from them last year at Beautycon LA. MAC also had a couple of choices. I got this Dazzle Gloss lip product in Love Alert. I also got a big shopping bag from MAC, as well as one from Peter Thomas Roth. Beautycon New York had a lot more food and wellness items this year. Schmidt's gave us a choice of natural soaps and deodorants in various scents. I chose this deodorant in bergamot and lime. Tampax was giving out small boxes of tampons. And Califia Farms gave me a single-serve almond milk cold brew coffee. I chose the sweetened one, but unsweetened was also an option. I got a honey roasted nut and sea salt bar from Kind. Hippies gave us an impossibly small bag of their vegan white cheddar puffs. I literally had 3 little vegan white cheddar puffs in my bag. I will say this though, they're absolutely delicious. I ended up eating mine at the convention, and I am determined to buy more because they were really good. And last but not least, for body and wellness, Vitafusion gave us a bunch of packets of these hair and nail vitamins. You're supposed to eat 3 a day, and each pack has only 2 in it, so I think that's really funny. We have a few assorted items left. They're mostly smaller samples. I got some hair ties from Not Your Mother's. I got a perfume sample and color coordinating blue lollipop from Angel. A bunch of teeny weeny samples from Not Your Mother's, Bio Clarity, and Peter Thomas Roth. This postcard mapped the K-beauty brands that gave us single-use samples. I walked out with 9 samples. I just wish they had been more substantial because I was most excited about the K-beauty section this year. I got a few more things with the purchase of an item. I purchased my favorite micellar water from Bioderma at a good price, and I got this mini micellar as well as 2 skincare samples. And last but not least, I purchased a dirt cheap concealer from Catrice, and they gave me this bag in an eyeshadow, which you can see in the top right upper corner. So I added up the retail value of the full-sized purchasable items, not including luxe size items, one-use samples, or extra gifts with purchase. Are you ready for the total? It's valued at $157.98. Mind you, my ticket only cost me $35.25, so I think it is fair to say I came out ahead. So that was what I got at Beautycon New York 2018. Watch my other Beautycon swag and bag videos by clicking on the links in the description box below this video player, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. See you guys soon!